Go, people, hit the ground running. All right, so we got to get this this guy alone. And so that means we got to get rid of that -4 and that *2. So let's get rid of the -4 first. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. After I add 4 to both sides, you get 2 times 3 raised to 2. Is that a t? Yeah. T minus 5. And then I equals 15. Next, oh, it's 15. That's whack. I can't divide 15 by 2. Okay, after you divide by 2, this is what we get. We get a new fancy schmancy. Actually, it's the same thing, but it looks slightly different, I suppose. Okay, let's keep it as 15 over 2. All right, don't try to make that a mixed number. Now, how am I gonna get that 3 gone? Log base 3. Let's do that. Okay, so I go log base 3 and then log base 3. Let's see what it looks like now. We have 2 times t minus 5 equals, oh, this is hideous, log base 3 of 15 over 2. That's yucky. Now there is another way to do this, but I kind of like using log base 3 for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna have to change that into a change of base ratio eventually, right? If we want to plug this into a calculator to do 3 decimal places, right? Right? You want to do it now or later? No. We could do it now. If we did it now, we would write natural log of 15 over 2 divided by natural log of 3. Okay?
Wait.
This is the same thing as that.
How come it turns into a natural log?
Well, you can use the common log if you want. I use natural log because I like him better. But you can write just log base 10 and log base 10. And the reason why we're using the common log or the natural log for the change of base ratio is because most of the time calculators have those buttons. Sometimes calculators, they don't have a log base 3 button. Okay, so we have 2 times t minus 5. We're going to add 5 to both sides. Let's do that right now. Add 5. Peace out, 5. And then what are we going to do after that? How do we get that t alone now? Divide by dose. Man, look at this gnarly nonsense. We have natural log of 15 divided by 2, sorry. Divided by natural log of 3. And then we're adding 5 to that. And then we're going to take that big old number and divide by 2. So that's the exact answer right there. What is our approximate answer going to be? Can you guys correctly plug this into the calculator? If you're trying to plug all this at once into the calculator, don't forget to put parentheses around this guy and put parentheses around the whole numerator. Otherwise, do this in parts. Plug this in first, hit equals, then divided by natural log of 3, hit equals, plus 5, then hit equals, and then divide by 2, and hit equals. What do we get? 4.33? 4.612? Is that right?
I got 3.417.
Oh, okay. 3.417. Did you round correctly?
Yeah.
That is your approximately correct answer.